Fans of the Polestar brand have another option in that automaker's lineup. The company started with the Polestar 1 before adding the 2 and has now moved on, rather appropriately, to the Polestar 3. The Polestar 4 is also launching with 5, 6, and 7 to follow in the coming years. This really is the easiest automotive naming scheme of all time, isn't it? Regardless, the Polestar news that's relevant today is the fact that the long-range, single-motor version of the 3 has arrived with an official EPA range certification of 350 miles. The Polestar 3 initially landed in long-range dual-motor guise. That's a great option, but it's also an expensive one. The starting price to have a pair of motors, 483 horsepower, and a driving range of 315 miles begins at $75,300. For those who don't need all that energy and would prefer a bit more range, you'll be happy to hear that the long-range single motor is now available. The rear axle motor makes 299 horsepower and 361 pound-feet of torque. This one isn't cheap either though, with a starting price of $68,900, but it is nicely equipped despite its base model status. Polestar includes its Pilot Pack driving assistance system. This setup has smart cruise control that can keep you centered in your lane, maintain your distance from traffic around you, and automatically change lanes with the press of the turn signal stalk. The Pilot Pack also utilizes a 360-degree camera system to assist in parking and provide cross-traffic alerts as well. Inside, Polestar fits the 3 with tri-zone climate control, heated front seats, a wireless device charger up front, a 9-inch digital driver display, and a 14.5-inch center touchscreen. The base level audio system is a 300-watt setup with 10 speakers, and the 3 comes loaded with basically every type of safety feature you could imagine from a brand like Polestar. There are a few upgrades if you really want to spend more though. The Plus Pack adds a 25-speaker Bowers & Wilkins audio system, active road noise cancellation, a head-up display, a front windshield that filters infrared waves from the sun, heated rear seats, a power adjustable steering column, and soft closed doors. That's an extra $5,500 though for that package. That Plus Pack isn't standard on any version of the car either, even if you jump to the top spec long-range dual-motor performance model, which gets 510 horsepower, sport-tuned suspension, and a 279-mile driving range. All Polestar 3s use a 107 kilowatt-hour battery pack, have adaptive dampers, and can charge at speeds up to 250 kilowatts. The Polestar 3 can be ordered now as it's just entered production at the Volvo plant in Charleston, South Carolina. Deliveries are likely to occur early on in the spring of 2025.